Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are back with the Python programs, and today we have a task to write a program that requests three integer values from the user. Like we have to take input from the user, three integer values from the user, and then it prints the maximum and minimum values entered. Like we have to figure out what is the maximum and minimum value from the three integer values that we have to input from the user. And that's a very basic and easy Python program. So let's dive into it. So the first thing first, we have to take input from the user, and I'm just going to take input from the user and typecast it into integer. So I've taken the three input from the user, and now I have to check what's the maximum and the minimum number. So I'm just going to print this. And what I'm going to do here, I'm using the f string here, and along with the f string, I'm using this curly bracket so that I may use any kind of functions in it, and I'm using a max function. So what does this max function do? This max function just compare all the values that are inserted on it, and then it will check what is the maximum value. So I'm just giving it all the three inputs to it, and then it will check what is the maximum. Similarly, in a similar way, I'm just putting this minimum. This is the minimum function that will check what this is the minimum function that will check what is the minimum value, right? So this is the basic structure of the program. Let's run this. Now the very first integer I will enter is 5, now then 2, and then again 4. So it should print this. 5 is the maximum and 2 is the minimum. So that's how it will gonna work. Now let's see if I put the two values same, then what it will gonna print. If I just put 5, 5 and 3, then it says 5 is maximum and 3 is minimum. So this is the basic program, and this is how you can check the maximum and a minimum values. And I hope you understand this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.